Hello and welcome back to Schalke to Glory. Now, let's restart that. Take a breather. Right. I'm in the squad section right now because I am going to be changing my custom tactics. So normally I switch to the 4-1-2-1-2 and that's what it looks like. However, I feel like I'm not getting the most out of Sebastian Polter. Now, if you look at his record, 175 games played, 53 goals, 32 assists. That's 85 goal contributions in 175 games. Admittedly, I do quit out of a lot of games, so that's why it's piss poor. But I feel like I'm not really playing into his strengths, which is the fact that he's 6'4" with 90 jumping. So what I should be doing is just spamming crosses into the box and heading with him, not trying to play a ball to feet style of play which he doesn't really fit in the slightest. So yeah, that's why I'm going to swap to the 4-2-3-1. Karaman's right foot, yeah, and I'm going to put Karaman. Right, so and let's do that first. So 4-1-2-1-2. Yeah, I want to keep all that unbalanced because I don't want to fuck with that because I don't know what that does. Right. So I want to put Uedraogo there. I tried one game with Karaman and Moore on the opposite wings, and then I'll play another one with them on the correct side of the pitch that they should be on. I'm also gonna change more from a marksman to an engine. Does the engine boost crossing? Does it not? Yeah, the engine boosts crossing by 8. So I'll be swapping more onto an engine. Oh, pardon me. Oh, pardon me again. Right. I'll be swapping more onto an engine and Asanu Uedraogo onto a Deadeye just because, well, he's now playing as the central cam. It's half 5 now. Maybe if I record long enough I'll end up including the 6 PM content too. I can prime the Penfest. Right. Club. Yeah. Also, don't know if I said that I did this or not, but between episodes, because I don't know why, but for some reason, between episodes, I went through and I've given every Schalke player the kit number they wear in real life. Do with that information what you will. Right. Engine. And then I need a Deadeye for Uedraogo, and then and then I'll get into division rivals. Yeah, I'm not waiting 7 minutes. I just buy it out. Actually, why did I not check the 80 things I've got on my transfer? Oh, so also some other stuff sold between episodes. Yeah, I finished marking matchups and yeah, I've sold some more, and so yeah, I've sold some more stuff. Not everything has sold though. Well, no, there weren't. But yeah, there weren't no cam styles. Right. I also didn't manage to qualify for champ, so yeah. Back to grinding rivals we go. I need 2 wins and I'm on the cusp of Div 7. Do I throw my first game to avoid getting promoted? Or do I go for the win and get promoted and see if I can get the win in Div 7 or do I get promoted into Div 7 for better rewards? Oh, fuck it, we'll see how game number 1 goes. But anyways, that adds enough. Oh, I also need to sort out my player instructions. Good job I remembered that. So Poulter, stay forward, conservative, interception, stay forward, conservative, interception, stay forward, conservative. Ron Schallenberg, cut passing lanes, stay back while attacking, conservative interceptions. Templeman, cut passing lanes and conservative interceptions. And just do the custom tactics real quick. There we go. Yep, that's normally what I put on everyone. So yeah, now that I've got my custom tactics out of the way, let's get into game number 1. Seriously, why am I burping so much? Right. Lacazette, Spinazzola, Benassa, Osimhen. Don't know that centre mid and right mid. Quadrado, Kalulu, Szczesny, Bremer, and I don't know the left back either. So the left back is called Moroni. Sounds kind of Italian. Hey, Moroni! I probably should not be doing that while I'm playing the game. That is pretty fucking stupid. Rodrigo. Some more. Crosses it in. That was a poor cross. Ow. Ooh. Kaminsky gets the block to force it out of play. Oh, Cascarino is her name. Okay. Schallenberg. Some more. Oh, why didn't it let me swap to a Willian earlier? But it goes out. Got for a goal kick. Right. Volta heads it to Moore. No. Oh, thank fuck he was offside because my right hand side was nowhere to be seen. Oh, the centre mid's called Lopez. Okay. Goal makes the vital block. That was a poor pass. 1-0. Yeah. Falter to Rodrigo. Right, now let's play it wide to Moore. Up. I put the fucking tackle in. Why did the game not put the tackle in? Right. Yeah, more. Yeah, that was stupid. I should try to slide in there with more. Why is Poulter not running into the box? Like I say, why was Poulter not making the late run into the box? Schallenberg heads it clear to Moore. Brunner blocks it. Yeah, Schallenberg blocks it out of play. Right. Whoa, fuck's sake. Nope, on to the next one. It's 20-6 now. Okay. Oh, my manager contract. Do I have any? Nah, fuck it. F3 should be enough for the rest of this video. Isaac, Wilson, Sterling. Don't know who the sentiment is. Clint Dempsey, Madison. Don't know the Wagner's the left back, I believe. Stones, Kalulu. That's a Vermento at right back, I believe. And I didn't quite catch a glance at who the goalkeeper is. Well, I'm guessing it's Nick Pope. Oh no, it's Mike Mynan. Right. Harriman's got the ball, and why was Poulter not making the run into the box like I wanted him to? Allenberg wins the tackle. Right. Again, why is Poulter not making the run into the box? That wasn't who I wanted to pass to. Ah. Kaminsky blocks it out of play. Oh, fuck's sake. Right, why is Poulter stopped running? Poulter, keep running! Why? Is he on? I need to check after this game. Is he even on get forward? I'll put the fucking tackling game. Fuck off. Ah. I put the tackle in. Why didn't he get the ball? Again, I put the tackle in, but of course the game doesn't put the tackle in. Fuck off. This is such fucking bullshit. Right. Ujogo plays it wide to Moore. Why is Poulter stopped running yet a fucking again? Why is he just stopped running into the box? Oh, fuck off. No, fuck off. Right, leaving. Oh. I need to check. Is Poulter on stay forward? Because he's not fucking playing like he's on stay forward. Edit lineup. Right. Player instructions. Defensive. Roles. Balanced width, yes. Mixed attack. Getting behind. Makes forward running behind the defence, yes. Conservative interceptions, yes. Stay forward, yes. Make right runs wide to wide areas of the pitch. Balance. Stay central. Drift wide. And drift wide. Right. So I've got drift wide on both my out wide attacking mids. And let's see if that helps in game. I've altered my tactics slightly, and let's see if that helps in game number 3. Alright. Ousmane Dembele, Govou, Salah, Saul, Tonali, I don't know that centre mid's name, Ferland Mendy, Rudiger, Koundé. I didn't quite get a look at who the right back and goalkeeper are. Let's get a quick check on who they are. So his goalkeeper is Ederson and Carl Walker at right back. Let's see if my tactical changes can help. Willian intercepts it. Right. I put the tackle in, game. Again, putting the tackle in. Ah, fuck off, I put the tackle in. Why's Poulter stopped running yet fucking again? Make the run, Poulter. Now he's made the run. More crosses in, Poulter heads it wide. Why'd he stop making the run into the fucking box? Yes, why'd he stop running again? Alright. No. Get. Right. Right. Poulter makes it 1-1. Let's go. Yeah, in there. Cleared out of play. Right. 9 more minutes and then it's 6 p.m. Ah, fuck's sake. Right. That wasn't a great cross. Right. I didn't want to pass it there. I wanted it to go to Aslan Uodrogo. Right. Ellison claims the cross. Furman pushes it wide. Furman claims the cross. Thank fuck it's offside. Even though I put the tackle in, and of course the game didn't, because why would it? Of course, Furman makes a save. What? Fuck's sake. Walter, why are you making runs out wide? Stay in the box. Stay in the box like I want you. Try and stay central and in the box like I want. Don't drift wide. I want you in the box so I can cross it into you. Right. Actually, no. Let's get Ronaldo on. See if he can change this. Instead of Akpom, let's see if Ronaldo can change this game for me. Right. We can, man. Ronaldo, make the run! And of course this Salah is able to try and nearly fucking perfectly tackle my player. Because why wouldn't he be able to perform a near perfect tackle? Cross it to Ronaldo, not to Moore. Fucking hell game, why is it not crossing to the correct player? You know, first it's not putting the tackles and now it's misplacing passes. Because of fucking course it is. Furman. Oh, Karaman was not offside. Fuck off, game. This is getting beyond the fucking joke. Why does it keep misplacing my crosses? I put the fucking tackle in, but of course the tackle button doesn't work for me because why the fuck would it? course it put the tackle in and the game doesn't put it in. Because of course it fucking doesn't. Win the header. Right, more. Alright, Templeman holds it up for Karaman. Ah. Is that a corner? Right. Uyan whips it in. Kaminsky doesn't get to it. Baumgart. Right, it's blocked by Kunde. The game actually put the tackle in. Colour me surprised. Ronaldo. Edison saves it. Great, and of course he player changes just in time to get the fucking tackle in. Because of course he does. Oh, fuck's sake. Red! How was that fucking red? Fuck off, game. That was not red in the fucking slightest. Right. Oh, of course it doesn't let me cut back with Caraman. Because why would it? Because fuck me. Fuck's sake. Oh, and of course it fucking lags. Because why wouldn't it? Because of course when it lags for me, it's when I'm about to get the fucking shot off. In reference to when it lagged earlier for him. Of course it stops lagging for him just as I'm about to get the shot off. Fucking shit game. Right. In 6:03. So let's see what great content EA have put out today. Probably fuck all, knowing them. Right, let's check the Evos tab first. They released any new Evos? No, of course they haven't. No. They released any new objectives? Evo Lounge, Dream Team Pursuit 2, 3, Callum Wilson. Football is football. No, nothing in seasonal. Any new milestones? No. No new milestones. So let's check the SBC section. Well, let me know in the comments if I should do Ismail Assar as a super sub. Rodrigo, Son, Leao, Sarr, Bergwijn, Bellerin, Benini, Boniface, Rice, Kubo, Jimenez, Fur. No new players. The Hero Pack, the Team of the Week upgrade. An 80 plus upgrade. Prime Bronze Player upgrade, which is repeatable every 6 days. An untradeable Mega Pack, because of course. And they've released Laurent Blanc. Okay. What do you need for Blanc? Bronze, silver, gold. An 80 rated squad with a Marseille. An 84 with a French player. An 85 with a Prem. An 86 with an Inform. And an 88 rated squad. That's not bad. No new Foundation SBCs. Right, well, that was it. Do I want to do what? Fuck it. I'll buy Matriciani and I'll play one more game. Matt Henning Matriciani. The only one of him for sale is on a shadow. How much is he? Are there any Matricianis on anchors for sale? No. Ah, fuck's sake. Right. Right. Let's swap Baumgartner out for Matrician. Baumgartner on ourselves. Right. Right. I don't know what Rivals game this is. I've not been. I won't keep in track. Right, but fuck it. Let's just get into the final game of the episode. Actually, hang on. Let me quickly. I think this is game number 4. I think Poulter was on 107. How many games has Poulter played? Because he was on 175 at the start of this episode. Yeah, alright. Let's get into game number 4. No, this would be game number 5. No, it would be game number 4. Shit, I can't count. Let's just get into game number 4. Before my brain fries. Pedro, Callum Wilson, Jesus, Guimaraes, McManaman, Madison, Spinazzola, Smalling, Joe Gomez, Tavernier and Mark Flecken in goal. Right, let's see how well it does. Oh, my team can do, sorry. Interesting, gets a tackle in. Why is Poulter so far away from the fucking goal? Get closer to it. I'll put the tackle in. Oh great, I put the tackle in, but of course the game doesn't put the fucking tackle in. Because why the fuck would it? Fucking shit game. Right, Karaman wins the ball. And Pedro wins it back for him. Matriciani wins it back. But Manderson intercepts the pass. Right, now. Why is Poulter not making the run forward? Alright. Nah, let's give it to Thomas Uhuyen. He has whipped pass. Should have put more power on it. Right. Right. Poulter, get into the box. Didn't get enough power on it, on the cross. How was that a fucking foul? Fuck off, game. Drugo wins the header and heads it to Karaman. Right. Yes! Moore makes it 1-1. Karaman intercepts it to Drugo. It's lost. I put the fucking tackle in. Why is Poulter coming so fucking deep? Right, keep running, Poulter. Of course, the game lags in this kind of situation for me. Because why the fuck wouldn't it? Half surprised it didn't fucking continue. Fuck off. I put the tackle in. This is king. Actually, the tackle didn't look like. Actually, the tackle was nowhere near. I take that one back. But why is Poulter not making... Poulter, can you make the run into the fucking box, please? Fucking hell. Why is Poulter not running into the fucking box, man? For fuck's sake. Oh, fuck off. Fuck off, game. Why did he stop fucking running? Stop running! Carry on running into the fucking box. Oh, but it doesn't matter. He scores the header. Let's go. 4-2. Put the tackle in. Oh, fuck. He blazed it wide. Right. Poulter. Heads to Caraman. Right, Poulter, get in the box, lad. Poulter! Ah. Right, that's the end of the first half. Right. Let's bring in Ronaldo. Let's see if this helps. Of course it won't. Because this game fucking hates me, but hey ho, I can but try. Right. More. Why is Ronaldo not running into the fucking box? Oh. Moore wins the ball back. Oh. Right. Ah. So close from Ronaldo. Fuck's sake. Oh, too much power on the cross. Rodrigo to Ronaldo! Yes! Ronaldo makes it 5-3. Right, more play through to Ronaldo. Ronaldo wasn't offside. Fuck off. I put the fucking tackle in. Why did the game not put the tackle in? Ronaldo scores the finesse to make it 6-4. Schallenberg wins it and it's played to Templeman. Oh, fuck off! Of course these fucking centre-backs are playing like fucking Prime Maldini and Baresi, but mine are playing like fucking Harry Maguire and Johnny Evans. Fuck's sake. Right. Should have just shot it there instead of going for the finesse shot. But of course his fucking centre-backs are playing like fucking Prime Maldini and Baresi. Meanwhile mine are playing like fucking Harry Maguire and Johnny Evans. Fuck's sake. What? How is that a fucking pen? Fuck off, game. Oh, fuck's sake. Well, I know what I'm fucking titling this video. Oh, fuck off. Just fuck off. Such fucking bullshit. I might as well see this game out because it's the 80th minute. Ronaldo heads it to Moore. But of course the Tavernier just perfectly fucking... It's, oh, fuck off! I put the fucking tackle in. Fucking bullshit. What? Oh, fuck off! Just hurry the fuck up and take it. It's not like I'm getting back into this game. Not that the game wants me to fucking win. Oh, great. Well, actually was a foul. I'm half surprised he actually fucking gave it. And it's all over. Right. Yeah. Well, that's it for this episode. Hopefully, in the next episode, I'll be able to get the two wins that I need. But anyways, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And as always, I'll see you in the next one. Peace.